This case is about charting the path forward for Makaibari Tea Estates, founded in 1859 in Darjeeling, India. The new owner of the estate must design a strategy with a triple bottom line objective, that is, pursuing environmental, social, and financial goals simultaneously. The worldwide tea market, primarily divided between producers and resellers, is going through an economic boom since the last 20 years, and new consumer trends are emerging. Despite producing one of the finest teas in the world, Makaibari is not as well known as the resellers such as Kusmi Tea or Maraj Frere. The case will analyze the business landscape of the tea industry and Makaibari's strengths coming from its location in the Himalayan foothills and the loyal workers who are considered as partners. Rajah Banerjee, the current fourth generation owner of Makaibari, has been a pioneer of sustainable agriculture in Darjeeling, going as far as adopting biodynamic practices and the maxim, healthy soil, healthy mankind. The case begins with the arrival of Rajah Chatterjee, managing director of Lakshmi Tea, as the head of Makaibari, replacing Rajah Banerjee. How can Rajah Chatterjee chart a course that is profitable but at the same time environmentally friendly as well as fair to the employees and the local community? How to exploit the rich legacy, specific terroir, and artisanal know-how of Makaibari to make it profitable?
You can acquire the case Makaibari Tea Estates from our distributors, the CCMP or the Case Center.